Hey, there's an old house. I better go inside. Wow. This is one big adventure ever. Oh. It's Vincent the Funtendo and Vion Master.
Span it, bro. How dare you trespass this old house? That's it. I'm calling your parents about this.
No, please.
Go.
Spanner bro. We can't believe you trespassed into an old house. You know trespassing is against the law. That's it. You are grounded for 325 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room right now. And don't come out until it's dinner time.
Wow.